dewe ki any angzi lobse niwa di changai ra any lobse di ming khala na any linear equation in one variable tal linear lar thangbo okay thangbo linear lar tal linear di chik dikhane le la na ra linear chik di thangbo khane le la na line ne ra line lar ra line ne le chik di ne linear la na khar khogor la na ngancho what we call it as a linear la na khala na highest power of a variable ra linear means highest power of variable is 1 kisi variable ki any highest power the 1 ina and then it is known as a linear kozu se linear lana khande do chik la hor ta pena cha shana ta okay linear lana pena cha shana okay 3x plus 2 do lana khala hore ta variable की highest power दिखा से 1 छसा शेसा highest power किसी variable की highest power दी चिकी ना एन गंजो linear लाओ कोजो से ता okay ता linear था ना अनि चिक निवा दे गंजो खान चंगा लाना expression लाना खाने तो चिक लाओ रा expression next term दे गंजो ला खाली लेना expression ली था expression खाने तो पेने शेषन expression ना लो खाली लेना for example x plus 1 do law na ting anso chi expression chik equation dikhane okay ta chik equation lana khande do chi law x plus 1 ding anso la expression chasa ta equation lana khande do chi law ta equation lang anso khar kor lana x plus 1 ding anso chi expression re ra x plus 1 the expression re on the kana kisi equals to 9 do 2 ai na खाचा जोता equation छाती equation नांगलो ला खरी होला ना equal to sign here equal to sign and this equal to sign differentiate between the left hand side and the right hand side so equal to sign plays an important role and it differentiate the left hand side and right hand side so this is your left hand side and this is your right hand side and in totality we call it as a equation the equation la gon so go se ta linear lana khala gore expression lana khala gore equation lana khala ta linear gon so jang sare highest power of a variable is a 1 equation lana equal to sign you go so jo left hand side ta right hand side nikala and number you go ta variable you go che and in one variable chik gore la variable chik means that is x kisi ra dikhare linear equation in one variable cha what to say okay tata equation changa la khadu na so equal to sign gore ta pena cha shana lar okay ni ki expression chikte re 5x plus 2 tere ta 5x plus 2 dikhar la na so achi dikhar la na linear polynomial re the linear khachel na linear polynomial che linear polynomial in one variable ra variable chik mashomar kharel variable dikhala na x re ra any linear dikhande le na means linear polynomial in one variable linear khain lagor la na any variable kachi highest degree di means power the one re da chesa the linear polynomial in one variable che kesiler expression pe ne shashan inde na 4x square minus ra 2 doina ta dikhar chela na anzola quadratic equation che rakha na highest power the ni chasa variable kachi kisi highest power the ni chana the quadratic chair ra dikhar chela na quadratic equation chair or you can call equation lata equal to sign gora in a quadratic polynomial chair quadratic polynomial in one variable kana variable chik mashminda variable variable is x so it will become a quadratic polynomial in one variable to pena shashange example chik le for example 3x cube minus 7x plus 5 now this is an expression but we call it as a cubic polynomial. Why? Because the highest power of a variable is 3. Right. Highest power the gazu chase variable kachi 3 chana nganzola kharchelan di any kharchelan nganzola di kharchelana and cubic polynomial chair. Cubic polynomial in any one variable common with the x6 in a power the logarithm. So in variable chik mashmindo in one variable goes this say. So this is your linear polynomial, this is your quadratic polynomial, and this is your cubic polynomial goes this say. Okay, the goes na and anzo next topic dikharla na we are going to learn how to solve an equation. Ra equation di anzo zinda dumbala jang sare ra simple equation jang re zinda dumbala ra ta tilang anzo thangbo topic thangbo dikharla na solving equation re anzo So our first topic is solving equation. The equation solved chisamba we have a variable on a one side. So thangbo variable on a one side you can chena variable on one side. Okay, the variable on a one side solve chena anzo. Okay. So, pinchashana tuwa thangbong yentir 2x minus 3 equals to 9. Tang anso sindu dumbala transpose method jangar ra. Transpose method jangar. That transpose method nanglo la khare la nang anzo ta. Okay. Nangzo la transpose method nanglo la khare la na. Transpose laws and khala transfer law. Okay, penchashana left hand side ta right hand side kajke shawarta. So equation solve chizamba we are talking about the left hand side and right hand side, right? Kisi left hand side la kisi left hand side la kisi number ki dula positive sign hai na on the left side ne right hand side la shift chena its operation will be changed, it will become negative. And kisi left hand side la operation di negative sign hai na and right hand side la tone and khachelen positive chair. Chikpa chikyang khisi dela multiplication ina and phacho chola tone divide chair. And dela division ina sujala multiply chair. So right hand side ne khisi operation positive ina on the left hand side la tone khachelen negative chair. Chikpa chikyang negative diga khachelen positive multiply kachi divide kachi multiply. And khisi and sujolani khalchel right inside la negative ina left la ne positive chair reverse chair diye ko se tang so equation solve chain da dikare variable on a one side re this into dumbala jang sare simple equation re tata anso solve chain samba thangbo khachel la na thangmo ansta re constant term din so constant term di thangbo phajo side la shift chair anso ra chen solve chain samba thangbo dikare 2x re 2x lana khalor ra 2x lana ra pen shana 2 pen ra 2 red pen lana jugor 2 is a number and x is a red pen ra so 2 red pen minus 3 equals to 9 reler that 2 red pen dirangja shaya nang so 2x digare 2 red pen re assume cher nang so ra tata 9 dikhoran sacha la rangja shaya re kisi ngelar negative 3 di left hand side la reda left hand side ne negative 3 di right hand side la donal so kisi negative di left hand side la na right hand side la rusamba operation di change cherela negative 3 will convert into positive 3 goes say so 9 plus 3 is 12 right so 2x 9 plus 3 is 12 now 2 penler 2 red pen so 2 is a means 2x means multiply la reda so kisi left hand side la multiply yunalar number the phajo side la don't divide chair so we are going to find out the value of x so 12 as it is to the multiply la yone phajo side la rosamba divide la convert chair so anso khare the standard formula samba 2 1s are 2 2 6 are 12 and x equals to 6 is your answer. This is how you are going to solve the simple equation or variable on a one side. Ra, indication solve chere. Go to say. Tata. Go an example chiglain data. Okay, one more example I'll take. Suppose, okay, 2y plus 9 equals to 4 लेंगे. Thus similarly, first step, what we'll do, first of all, we're going to solve this. Okay, 2y, 2y as it is equals to 4 dirang jache. Positive 9 the left hand side ne right hand side la tonaler. The positive 9 the left hand side ne right hand side la tonaler. Positive ne right hand side la tonaler. Operation the change it. Negative 9 la convert chasa. So 2y equals to negative 9 plus 4. Ra, negative 9 plus 4 is negative 5. Ra, negative 5 chasa. Okay, the 2y re. So 2y दिखा रहे multiply नांगलो ला रे जैसा 2 दिखा जो side ला multiply ने left hand side ने right ला draw है ना divide छे. So y equals to negative 5 upon 2. This is your answer. This is how you are going to solve the simple equations that have a variable on a one side. Cause this variable side chik लगेगा तो खाने solve छेवो हमें. Okay, तांग हम जो fraction है मैंने rational number की form fractions दिन जो solve छे इन दता. 당버 simple ने छेरा 간조이 더 fraction 된서 solve 체 the fraction 라 간데 solve 체고 하면 오케이 पेनिट्रेशन ठिवा छिगरे solve लर solve कर रहे ना x upon 3 plus लर 5 upon 2 equals to negative 3 upon 2 the fraction form ला रे थांची simple रे the fraction form ला रे रा. Okay, the fraction solve system में थांबो ताया रे x upon 3 दिखा रहे variable रे दा दिखा रहे 5 upon 2 the constant रे the constant रे without variable थांबो variable the left hand side लेशा constant term shift सुजो लेशे फजल. Okay, now we are going to solve this. Okay, variable on the left hand side x upon 3 plus, okay, we will keep a variable on the left hand side and then we will copy negative 3 upon 2 as it is. Negative 3 upon 2 the rangja share रे the positive 5 upon 2 the left hand side ने right hand side la shift छे नालर the shift छे से बाद positive sign the operation दिखा ले change है negative ले छेरा so it will become negative 5 upon 2. Okay, so x upon 3 as it is negative 3 negative 5 so it will become a negative 8 and to the denominator chikpare means LCM chikpa na we can write only once. Now what is our next step? Our next step is we are going to cross multiply, right? Cross multiply cherda. Cross multiply khar cheyala na 2 will multiply with the x equals to 3 will multiply with the negative 8. Now 2x means 2 times of x, right? 3 8s are 24, that is negative 24. The 2x दिखा रहे product नालो ले सा multiple नालो ला. So next step x equals to negative 24 किसी लर 2 दी multiply ले रहे multiply नहीं left hand side ला multiply लेना right hand side ला दोने खाचे लेना divide नालो दूर so it will become 2, right? So x is equals to standard formula से standard formula से number 2 1s are 2 2 12s are so negative 12 x is equals to negative 12 is your answer. Goes to say this is how you are going to solve the fraction. The fraction then so khande solve chewo me both side. We are going to solving an equation. Solving an equation and then which having a variable on a both hand side. Okay, tata thangbo answer simple change the variable you visual answer bracket you can solve change. Thangbo simple solve change samba answer khala re variable on both side le left hand side ta right hand side nikala variable kore le Penecha shanang it yuashtere. 2x minus 3 equals to x plus 2. Now this question have a variable on both hand side. Now what you will do, you are going to keep a variable on a one hand side and constant on another hand side. So here the variable is 2x, you will write 2x as it is. Tata, the left hand side, this is your left hand side, this is your right hand side, right? Now on a left hand side it is the 2 times of x, right? Here variable is x, here variable is 2x. This is positive x. The right hand side nailer positive number, the left hand side operation change here. So positive x will become a negative x equals to positive 2 as it is. Here on a left hand side the constant number 3, in front of 3 there is a negative number. When this left hand negative 3 shift from left hand side towards the right hand side, its operation will be changed. Negative 3 ne dikha chala na, positive 3 la convert chhe. Okay, so 2x minus x lar pen mauni ne pen chig milatyo hai na, pen khajala so chig lehra. So 2x minus x, that is x, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So the value of x is 5. This is how you are going to solve a variable on a both hand side, and this is the simple question. This simple ray. This is your simple question. Now I'll give you the bracket 1. Bracket you stand. Okay. Second question. Penetration enter 3x minus 4 plus 2x minus 1 equals to 40. Okay, so first step, what is your first step? First step, you are going to remove the bracket. So first of all, this 3 will multiply with the x, and then this 3 will multiply with the negative 4. And after that, this 2 will multiply with the first x, and then after that it will multiply with the negative 1. So you are using here distribution method. So distribution method so 3 multiply with the x, that is 3x, and then 3 will multiply with the 4. So 3 4s are negative 12 plus 2x, 2 1s are minus 2 equals to 4. Tata variable now we are going to check the same variable. Here the variable is x, and in front of x means the coefficient of x is 3, and here the variable is x and the coefficient of x is 2. Now 3x plus 2x, that is 5. Both the numbers are positive, so you can write it 5x. Like terms add, and then this is negative 12, this is negative 2. So negative 12, negative 2, it will become negative 14, and on right hand side there is a 4. Okay class, now 5x on a left hand side because it has a variable. Now constant term I will shift on another side. So your 4 is as it is, negative 14 when shift from left hand side towards the right hand side, its operation will be changed. It will become a positive 14. So 14 plus 4 is 18, 5x equals to 18, and then x is equals to 18, right? 5x the multiply narrata. When this 5x is in multiple, means the coefficient is 5, but 5x is in multiple, right? Now when you shift multiplication from left to the right, its operation will be changed. It will become divide. So 18 divided by 5. This is your answer. This is the way how you are going to solve, right? One more example I will take. Variable on both hand side. Okay, so suppose 2y minus 3 minus 4y plus 1 equals to 3y minus 2. First step, What is first step? You are going to remove the brackets. The first step is you are going to remove the bracket. So 2 will first multiply with the y. So it will become 2y, right? So 2 will multiply with the negative 3. So 2 3s are 6, but it will become negative 6. Here, negative 4y. Ra. And 4 1s are 4. That is negative 4 equals to 3y. And 3 2s are negative 6. Tata. First of all, you are going to solve the left hand side one. Here it's 2y. Here it's negative 4y. So negative 4y and positive 2y are the like terms. So we are going to add this or subtract this. So negative 4y ne negative 4y plus 2y. So it will become a 2y, but it is the negative sign because 4 is a greater number and in front of 4 there is a negative sign. That's why we are taking it as a negative 2y. The negative 6, the negative 4 dikare constant term re. So constant term we are going to add these two. So negative 6 and negative 4. That will become how much? It's become negative 10. On right hand side there is a 3y minus 6. Now what you will do, you will keep a variable on one hand side and constant term on another side. So first of all, you are going to keep the variable on the left hand side. It's negative 2y. Okay, on the right hand side there is a 3y. It is a positive 3y. When positive 3y shift from right hand side towards the left, right ne left la shift channel, its operation will be changed. It will become negative 3y equals 2. Similarly, negative 6 as it is. Negative 10. When this negative 10 shift from left towards the right hand side, its operation change, it will become positive 10. Okay class, now this is negative 2y, this is negative 3y. Now we are going to add this because these are like terms and your product is negative 5y. Ra, sujula khare negative 6 plus 10. Ra, then it will become 4. Ra, so y dikhare y equals to 4 and negative 5 re. Ra, hine negative 5 di denominator la charge hoga. So what we will do, we will keep negative 5 in the numerator. We will shift negative here. Rational number na denominator dikhadu negative charge hoga marra. Chesang answer negative dikangla shift chire. So our product is y is equals to negative 4 upon 5 and this is the answer. Go to class. Okay. So thank you so much. Any exercise for your homework, you have exercise. You are going to, for homework, you're going to solve exercise 2.1. This is your homework.